Adobe Fresco Review, the drawing app you actually fall in love with. You probably heard of Adobe Fresco, but is it really worth your time when there are so many drawing apps out there? Well, in just a minute, you're going to find out if Fresco is the creative weapon you've been missing. From the second you open Adobe Fresco, you feel that spark of inspiration. The interface is clean, minimal, and somehow comforting. It's like stepping into a studio that's ready whenever you are. Every tool feels natural, whether you're sketching, painting, or just doodling ideas. It's clearly made for artists who want digital tools to feel human. Here's where Fresco flexes. The live brushes. You've never seen digital paint behave this realistically. Watercolors blend, oils smear, and every stroke reacts like a real pigment on canvas. It's mesmerizing, and if you've ever struggled with getting that hand-drawn vibe digitally, Fresco nails it. You've got vector brushes, pixel brushes, and even tools from Photoshop, all working in harmony. You can draw on your iPad, switch up to your desktop, and your work syncs instantly through the cloud. The layers, masking options, and pressure sensitivity all feel professional grade. It feels like Adobe finally gave illustrations the creative freedom they've been begging for. Whether you're sketching character concepts, painting landscapes, or storyboarding animations, Fresco just flows. You can go from rough sketch to polished art without switching apps. And if you use other Adobe tools like Photoshop or Illustrator, oh, it's buttery smooth. Everything connects perfectly. Now, let's be real. It's not perfect. You'll need solid hardware for the best performance, and the subscription might sting a little. But once you start painting with those live brushes, it's hard to go back. The control, the texture, the freedom, it all just feels right. Fresco isn't just an app, it's an experience that grows with your creativity. If you're an artist looking to bridge traditional and digital art, Adobe Fresco is your sweet spot. You'll love the blend of realism and power. It's like carrying an entire studio in your tablet. The color dynamics are vivid, the brush customization is endless, and updates keep rolling out to make your workflow even smoother. So if this review helped you out, hit that like button, share your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative reviews every week. And that's it.